Welcome to our channel, Math Vibes. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to press subscribe. Do like the video and share it further. In this video, we will be learning about integers, that how integers came into existence and what actually are integers, and also we'll learn about why we need integers. Well, to know to know all about this, we should know the history of integers first. So here come the first set of numbers which are known as counting numbers or natural numbers. Natural numbers, as the name suggests, it is derived from nature itself. We know that nature never has nothing and everything is positive in nature. There is nothing which is called negative. So how come the numbers be negative? Right. So in nature, counting number exists. Everything exists and everything that exists can be counted. So they are known as counting numbers or positive numbers. When we were in kindergarten, then we were learning about 1, 2, 3, and so on. And we often used to say, okay, do the counting, right? So at that stage, we were not knowing that they are called natural numbers. But now we know that counting numbers are called natural numbers or also positive numbers. So now we have learnt about these type of numbers, that it has everything which is counted, right? So that means it ought to start from the number 1, because if it is counted, that it should start from 1, 2, 3, and so on, right? So if the question is being raised that can you tell which is the last natural number, the answer to this is no. We cannot find the last natural numbers because the numbers are endless. They are infinite. So if the numbers are infinite, how can we find the last natural number? Right? And same way, if it is said that is there a number which has the predecessor as 0? No. Just now we have done that natural numbers, they don't have 0. We have everything in nature, so how can it be nothing, right? So there is no natural number that has its predecessor as 0, right? But in life we often come across situations where we have nothing or 0. What about them? So let's look at the next set of numbers, which are whole numbers, right? So how they came into existence, let us know about their story. So natural numbers are something which is counted. Like in this picture you can see there are some candies and there is a lollipop, right? So if you want to count them, you can easily do that. They will be natural numbers, right? But if I took all of them from you and you're not left with anything, right? You're not left with anything. Okay? So still if I ask you now what do you have? You will say nothing. And in maths, nothing is represented as 0, right? Because till now we were not having 0 with us. We were having only natural numbers. But there are situations where there is a need to have 0. So those type of numbers where 0 is also included in natural numbers, they are called whole numbers. So the definition will be that the set of natural numbers along with the number 0 are called whole numbers. So if we have natural numbers now and we have another set of numbers also which are whole numbers now in which 0 is also included. So what is the need to study integers? Why do we study integers at all and what are these integers? Till now we don't need them, right? But now let's look at the next situation where you are going up and where you are coming down. Now if I say that you have to represent something with some sign like positive or any other sign where you are going up, and if you say I'll take positive sign, right? Then we are representing going up as positive. right? We are doing something, it is positive. But now if I say you are coming down also and you have to represent coming down also at the same time, then what will you do? Isn't it a difficult situation? Well, no. That is why we need integers, because in nature we have opposite of everything. If something is going up, then it is coming down also. If there is rise, then there is fall also, right? Into every increase there is decrease, right? So in nature opposite exist. So in maths also there should be some type of numbers in which we deal with the opposites, right? So here come the need of integers. In maths, if we see, then in maths also there are certain situations in which you don't have any answer. Like I have taken very easy numbers. Let's look at these numbers. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. You can easily say. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. You can easily say that. But now if I reverse these numbers and if I say, okay, now tell me the answer of 2 minus 3 is equal to, or tell me the answer of 4 minus 5 is equal to, then what will happen? What will you say? Nothing. You will not be having any answer, because till now you have not studied integers. Come on, there is nothing which maths people cannot answer. Let us look at the answer to these type of questions. For that, you need to know about integers first. Okay, we have already know about positive numbers, and now it's a turn to know about negative numbers. Yes, the opposite of positive is negative. So now it is a turn to learn about negative numbers. So what are negative numbers? The numbers with a negative sign are called negative numbers. So they are obviously less than 0, because as we know that if we talk about positive numbers, they are always more than 0, right? If we talk about 1, 2, 3 and so on, they are greater than 0, right? But now we are dealing with negative numbers. So negative numbers will be less than 0. Remember, opposite positive, negative. If positives are more than, then negatives will be less than, right? So these type of numbers are called negative numbers. It is just like opposites. We do opposites in English. It is just like opposite. Okay. And same way we will be using positive and negative signs in integers also. But till now we don't know what are integers. We have not discussed it. We have no known about like natural numbers, whole numbers, positive numbers, and now we know about negative numbers also. But what are these integers? Well, now integers are the set of positive numbers, negative numbers along with the number 0. Okay, so integers, now they'll be including positive numbers, they will be including negative numbers also, and they will be including 0 also. So this is the proper definition of an integer which you should know and which you should learn by heart, that integers are the set of positive numbers, negative numbers along with the number 0. Now, just now we have discussed that integers are just like opposites, the opposites that we do in English. Same way, if I have to represent in integers in the form of maths, then again they'll be same as we do in English. To every right there is left, to every profit there is loss, above, below, earning, spending, less than, more than, increase, decrease, north, south, east, west, AD, BC, deposit and withdrawal, right? And now if I want to represent it in form of integers, I will not be writing these English terms again and again, because maths is always making your work very, very easy. So if I am writing all these things, then what is the fun of having maths as a subject, right? So in maths, if you have to represent something which is to the right, you will be writing plus. Okay, like 3 steps to the right. So you'll write plus 3. 3 steps to the left, you will write -3. Or if a situation is given where it is said that you have a profit of say rupees 1000, then you will write plus rupees 1000. And God forbid if you have loss, then you will write negative sign with it. Okay, so with above, in the same way, you will write plus, and with below, you will write minus. With every earning, you will write plus because we are gaining something, right? When we are earning, we are gaining. But if we are spending, that the money is going from us, it is decreasing, right? So it should be represented with a negative sign. Same way, less than will be written as negative. So less than will be written as negative and more than will be written as positive. To every increase we will write plus and decrease we will write minus. To north we will write plus, to south we will write minus. If we are going towards east, then that direction will be represented as plus. And if we are going towards west, then it will be represented as minus. If some year is given in AD, then it will be written as plus, and if some year is given in BC, it will be written as minus. To every deposit means we are adding something, right? So it is written plus, and every withdrawal will be written as minus. Always remember that in integers, signs are just the representation in integers. So if it is written that there is an increase or there is a decrease in plus or minus, you have to be careful while you are adding them, right? Okay, all the best in learning about integers. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to remember its definition and these opposites. Okay, they are going to be very helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.